Hello friends, very good evening. So myself Bala here. I'm SEBI certified research analyst. I'm welcome you all my YouTube channel Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. This video I'm going to discuss how we can backtest a strategy in TradingView platform. So I have taken a strategy where I am going to take the RSI. Based on RSI, we can do a lot of things, but I'm going to do a simple strategy that gives me a great return over the period of time. Right, that strategy I'm going to discuss in this video, and that will give me some better return. So then how we can apply the back test for that strategy in TradingView, that we will discuss here right now. Again, if you are new, make subscribe the channel. Okay, so what I'm going to do in this thing, so I'm going to just apply the relative strength index, that is nothing but RSI. I just applied that RSI at this point. So now what I'm going to do based on RSI, when the RSI is trading or crossing above 60, I'm going to buy. Okay, so when the RSI is trading over 60, I'm going to buy that particular bank nifty. When the RSI is going below 30, I'm going to sell bank nifty. So this is the simple yet powerful strategy, how it gives you profit. That is also we can discuss here. Now I will share you where I'm going to sell and where I'm going to buy. Okay, the simple one. So when the RSI is crossed above this level, okay, you check that the RSI is crossed above 60. This is the point I'm going to buy. Okay, where I'm going to buy when the RSI is crossing above 60, I'm going to buy that exactly. When RSI moves above 60, I'm going to buy a bank nifty. When RSI is crossing below 30, I'm going to sell bank nifty. I'm taking 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so I'm going to take just a 5 minutes time frame how it works on bank nifty, that I'm going to show here. So the simple concept, when RSI crosses above 60, I'm going to buy. When RSI crosses below 30, I'm going to sell. So this is not for an intraday. I'm going to carry the position. Okay. So if you are carrying the positions for overnight, so you have the gap up and gap down risk also. Okay. So if you feel gap up and gap down risk, you just protect with the options. Whether if you are a buy, you can buy a put options. If you are a sell, you can buy a call options. That is also you can do. But the strategy how it is giving you the profit. Okay, whether without doing any management, right? So now my strategy is very simple and clear. When the bank nifty RSI crosses above 60, I'm going to buy. When RSI crosses below 30, I'm going to sell. So again, whenever I sold now around RSI 30, when it is comes towards RSI 60, then only I'm going to exit my positions. Okay, so we don't have any stop loss for the trade. Whenever the changes in the RSI from 30 to 60, that is my exit point. So let's show you that what happened just 5-minute chart, how it giving you the profit. Here you can see the back test result, and also when I show you now where there is a point when the RSI is moving above 60, I was taking that position at this point. Okay, so here it will clearly tell you that, so where I'm going to take an entry point. So here you can see on the chart, it will clearly tell based on RSI when it is crossed above that 60 level, I'm going to take a position. So previously it was 63, and the next candle I'm going to previous candle, if you check that, I will show you that this particular candle, the RSI value is around 54.3. Okay, where you see 54.3 at this candle. So when the next candle started and it moves up, when it is closing, the RSI is above 63.81. So the RSI is crossing at this candle. So the next candle immediately I am going to take a position. Right. So this is my concept where I am going to take a trade. right? So that is closing is my entry point. 35,811.3 is my entry point. So as per this strategy, how it is give you profitable. So now it will back test it for me. Let's show you that on 5-minute chart, wherever RSI is crossed below 30, I'm going to sell, and even market moves up, I'm not going to exit that position. And again, whenever RSI is changing over, I'm going to exit the position and reverse the position. Now from here, chart given and immediately it given a long, so there will be a loss trade. After the long, it moves well, and again it gives you short the same over the price, maybe the loss also. So we are not telling you the booking profit whenever market is high. So simply, if you are following when the RSI is crossing above 60 and RSI is crossing below 30, so that is what 60 is my buy entry and 30 is my sell entry. Okay, now how the profit is now? So the total net profit is around 1800 point, where it is generated for this kind of 5-minute strategy, which is giving you more than 1800 point, where the total profit which is generated by 7585 points, where in long trade we got a profit alone 5000 point and loss for 3000 point. So here gross profit is around 7000 and loss is around 5700. So you can easily see how it became working. So now you check the profit which is generated on long trade is 5000 and the loss which is generated on the long trade is 3600. So we got maximum profit on that 2186 point alone in a long trade, but short trade it is giving a overall loss. 2000 point we are making a profit and 2000 rupees it gives you a loss. And finally, so what we getting that current scenario, this is what another Sharpe ratio and profit factor is around 1.31. So if you are able to make the profit factor even increased, so that will be a more profitable strategy, right? Here the total number of trade where we have taken is around 56. The 56 trades, we got 23 trades were ending with the profit and 33 trades were ending with the loss. But the accuracy or profit potential on this is around 41%. But buying side we got around 50% accuracy, selling side we got a 32% accuracy. Okay, average trade. So everything was here. Average winning trade is around 329 points and a losing trade is around 175 points. Okay, so we are not making, and largest winning trade in a single one is around 999 points. The largest loss is around 519. That is happening in the buy side. Sell side, the largest loss is around 284 points. Okay, so when you check how many bars it taken for the result, that is a trend change like that. So you can easily find out the strategy and you can apply that in a trading view and back test it. So how many days it is list up? Then we seen the number of trades is around 56. Okay, from how many days? So you can see the list of trades here. Each and every trade were mentioned here, and final trade was entry long at 35,811.55. Still it was running right now, almost somewhere around we got somewhere around 200 point. It's running a profit, right? From that our entry point. Previously we got a sell signal around 36,049 and we reversed the trade by 35,800. So we don't do anything at here. We simply follow the strategy and how long it is started from. And this is what a drawdown and maximum profit and 1800 point profit, 56 trade, 41% accuracy, profit factor is 1.3 and maximum drawdown is around 1285 points, almost 30,000 rupees is the maximum drawdown, right? And how long we are doing the trade? So let's go for that from the starting of the almost 10th of May month, right? So May, June, July, August, that are 4 months, we got somewhere around 1800 point just trading with a 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so we are not using any higher time frame, just trading with a 5 minutes time frame. Simple strategy what we are going to apply here, and the RSI crossing below 30 we are going to sell, and RSI is crossing above 60 we are going to buy. So that is gives you such a great profit on over the month, 4 months time frame. Now So now the same strategy, if I am using higher time frame, if I'm going to change that in a higher time frame, how it became a profitable. So let's now we used 5-minute chart, right? So if I'm going to use 15-minute chart, what is my profitability? So here you check that the profit point is around 7,600 point where it is generate a profit. So over 69 trades were happened and it started from, you can check it out, from 2020, that is 10th of the month, October, from October 2020 till now we have in the right now August. So almost 10 months we have the profits around somewhere 7,000 points overall profit. So here the overall profit where we got a 7,000 points, you can look at out. So all the trades and what is the profitability and profit factor. So now you see that the profit factor is little bit increased while compared to 5-minute chart. Okay. When using 15 minutes time frame, the profit factor little bit increased from 113 to 1.4, and previous trades the profit over almost 10 months profit is around 7,000 points. So now I'm going to change again the time frame where it is. So if your last trade were in short, okay. So when you got a short around 35,484, but now market is 36,000. So still the RSI is not changed over. So when it changes, it will automatically flat the trade point. Okay, so entry point. And now I'm going to check 30 minutes chart where 30 minutes is not giving you such a good great profit. And if you check that using the 30 minutes time frame, we got over 2000 points profit. Almost 84 trades were closed, and the profit factor for that is little bit low compared to 15 minutes and 5 minutes. The overall profit factor is just one, right? So it's 30 minutes is not good for that strategy. And let's check about 60 minutes where you say if I'm doing with that trade with a 1 hour time frame, where you can find out it is giving you such a more 11,400 point profit in a bank nifty. And list of trades from uh, this is happening from 2018, almost 2 years it's taken for a trade. Okay, from 2018 January 2018, almost we are now 2021, almost 2.5 years is gone. So it's generative 11,000 points profit in bank nifty using the same one. And if you check the profit factor is 1.296. Okay, so where we are doing the trade, once you are checking that, so it will give you such a good profit in 5 minutes time frame. And also whenever it moves over a profit, so you can book it out and try to take a new opportunities. So let's finally go for a daily chart, and and you check that from the trade which is happening from 2000, so almost 10 years, right? Almost 11 years, the profit for the trade is 23,000 points in bank nifty based on simple strategy, that is nothing but RSI. When it is crossed above 60, I'm going to buy. When it's crossed below 30, I'm going to sell. So the last trade where it has happened by 23,000, now it is market is trading 36,000. Okay, so this is a simple strategy. Again we come to the point, and what is the profit factor for that in daily time frame? Is around 2%, 2.04. So compared to all other time frames, so the daily time frame having some good profit factor. But if you are using 5 minutes time frame, so when it gives a long trade and it gives you small movement, so you can also try to book your profit until if trend changes. So you can also try with small profits like 200, 300 point in a bank nifty. So that always giving you each and every trade. If you are not given, so remaining trade will give you the better options. So this way you can back test from trading view, and previous buy signal is happening here and it moves towards 36. The entry was happened by 35,900, and again it fall down and again it went up. So like that. So previous trade one, some other trades are moving very well. From 34,700 it went up to 36,000, 2,000 point in a move. So if you're following, simply following, when the RSI is breaking on bank nifty above 60, we can try to buy. When it goes below, we can try to sell. When if you are testing again, and 5 minutes time frame always working better. 1400 point, and the profit factor for that is somewhere around 1.8. It is, sorry, that profit factor, right? Just we check it out, 1.3. So that is giving you such an intraday profit. So hope this video may be useful to you all. And if you like this video, you can hit the like button and share to your friends. And if you're not yet subscribed my channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update. Thanks for watching this, and thank you very much for your